Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. So today I'm back with the Oraimo Smart Accessories power bank. This is one of the biggest Oraimo power banks on the market so far, and it has come with the best features that can support the fast charging. So that is one of the feature. So it has 22.5 watts. If you have used one of the chargers that have those watts, you know how fast they are. So this is 40,000 million amperes. It has a lot of the features, guys, as you can see. So I want us to go ahead, we go deeper, we check whether it can do all these things that are indicated on the box. So they called it power box, so we are going to see whether it's worth it. So let's jump into it. We do unboxing, we check the best features on this power box. So guys, that was the packaging. So now let's go ahead and we check the features for this power bank. So before we check the features, let's first check the design. So when we check the design, as you can see, it has a very a good material that can protect the battery inside. So this side, it has the button that you can use to check the charge. Yeah, then on top here it has two super fast charging ports, and here it has also you can use this one to charge also the output. It has also this one for charging. Yeah, so let's check the features now for this power bank. So once we check here, the first, it has 22 fast charging. So let's first check that one, whether it can support. So I came with my phone that can support fast charging. Let's use this one. We check whether it has that super fast charging. So once you plug into the phone, it must show you that it supports fast charging here. So if you can see properly, it supports fast charging. As you can see, that one, it's very good. That's feature one. So let's go ahead, we check. It has LED here that shows you the power. Then here another feature, it shows you that it has triple output. This is the out 1, 2, then this one is 3. Yeah, if you have like MacBook, or you have like a type C to lightning cable, you can use this one, or type C to type C for those using a Samsung S21 and a 22. It has that one. Then it has 5 amperes output. So guys, these two, they support a maximum 5 amperes, which support fast charging. Yes. Then here it has improved durability. For improved durability, you have to use it for some time so that you can understand more about that one. Yes, so let's go ahead, we put on the charge, we see whether it will increase our charge. Here it shows you that it is at 88%. So let's give it a few minutes, we check whether it will add on that. Oh guys, this is indeed super fast. So I've timed only one minute. So in 1 minute it has put 2%. So you can see that means in 30 minutes it can charge your phone to 70%. If you can see properly, it was at 88%, but now it's at 90%. That is super fast charging, guys. So guys, that is it guys. If you have any comments, please don't forget to leave them in in the description below or in comments down below. You can also check in the description, and you see other links for other Oraimo products, guys. So if you haven't watched other videos, you can please go ahead and you check other products that we reviewed previously, guys. So thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.